Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm here, but I look a mess. It's early in the morning, and I think I'm gonna try this Locatin. I think I'm gonna try this. Alright. As y'all seen, I got it yesterday with my b&bw sale stuff. And this shower gel oil, I think I'm going to try this morning. And this lotion, these are supposed to be the travel. I didn't realize that last night when I was doing the video. And it actually says that it's one for home and one for away. So yeah, I'm going to try this oil. This stuff smells amazing. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'm gonna light this candle, y'all. And this is my favorite candle. It's called Fireside. Love it. But I'm gonna light this candle really quick, because I usually light candles every morning. Well, the mornings that I'm off work. Normally light candles and burn them all day. And like I said, I'm not going to show y'all what I look like, because I look like a mess. So now I'm going to make me some coffee. This pie right here is pretty good, y'all. This pie. But I'm going to make some coffee. I got my Trader Joe's coffee, some coffee cream, the Bath & Body Works candle sale should be taking place December the 7th, I believe. So if y'all want to get some really discounted candles, get yourself prepared for that sale, go ahead and buy you some gift cards or save up your coupons, your Bath & Body Works coupons, so you can get ready for that sale. I know I'm ready. Well, yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna use some gift cards that I got last year from you know, my Christmas things that the kids on the bus give me. So I still have some of those gift cards I'm going to use on the sale. I want to make sure that I could get some more of these Fireside candles. That's a must. I think I only have maybe 2 left. But yeah, as I was saying, if you want to get yourself, if you want to get some of these Bath & Body Works candles, it's time. In a couple of weeks, it's time. Now, I'm giving y'all the heads up. I'm trying to tell y'all before it's actually time. Now is the time to get yourself prepared. I don't know what happened. Now is the time to get yourself prepared for the Bath & Body Works sale. Get your coupons, get your gift cards, get whatever it is that you need. Now is the time, because it's probably about 2 weeks. It's about 2 weeks away from now. You got to wake up early for this sale. If you want candles, you got to wake up early, get to the store, get everything that you want, because if you don't, you're going to miss out. Get an idea of what candles you want to buy, because they sell out. They sell out. But the good part about it is, if they don't have a candle that you're looking for, you can always just buy any candle, and you can return it in exchange for the ones that you actually want. It's just hopefully it's not like a limited edition type of candle like this campfire candle, no, Fireside candle. They was completely sold out. That's the reason why I could not find them. And then I didn't even know that I was going to like them. Last year was the very first time that I ever bought these candles. This particular one. Normally I buy like the mahogany tiki wood or what's the other one? I just normally buy a lot of mahogany tiki wood. That stress relief one is pretty decent. That's one of their #1 sellers. As you see, I got candles back here in the windowsill, which I need to move them. But the reason why I do this is because I normally take the extra wax out of them, and then I burn so many candles. You know, I might not be feeling this one this morning, and I might want to do the white, what is that one? The white caramel cold brew. This one is a pretty decent one. This one is okay. It doesn't have like a real strong throw, meaning it's not like really strong in the scent, but it's nice. It has like a, I don't know, let me see. It's like a coffee, vanilla, sweet cream, caramel type of scent. This is nice. Only downside is the throw isn't good. That's the only downside. This one is, what is this one? Summer Boardwalk. This one and this coffee one kind of smell alike. Yeah. No, it don't. No, it don't. This one kind of smell like, it kind of smell like popcorn a little bit. Smelling it from the container, it smells almost like a buttery popcorn or like a coconut or something. It smells really creamy. Let's see what the notes are. Also, you can look at the bottom of each Bath and Body Works candles, and it'll give you the notes of what it's supposed to smell like. Yeah, a caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apple, a salted sweet cream. That's what you're supposed to smell. Popcorn, apple, and cream. I don't smell no apple, but I most definitely get the popcorn, and the cream. This is nice. Yeah. And then this is a comfort candle. This is comfort, and this is just like a soft, if you're really into like really soft cashmere type of scents, comfort is really, really nice for that. Really soft smell. And the notes in this one is just a cotton, musk, and lavender scent. Yeah, this is nice. It's very, very soft. The throw isn't real big on this one either. Really soft scent. I haven't used this one in a while because I really like candles that give off a really good throw that's really going to make the whole entire house smell good, and that's exactly what this one does. So that's why I love this one. And also I like it because it has like that cedar wood. Let me see if I could, it's kind of hot. Let me see if I could get the notes in it. It's a cedar wood and vanilla. Yeah, and amber, white amber. I absolutely love it. So cedar, vanilla, and then like an amber note. Right, now these Nest candles, whoo, thumbs up for Nest. Nest candles are amazing. Amazing candles. This little small candle has a throw just like the big candles at Bath and Body Works. But one thing I must say, these Nest candles are very expensive. This candle regular price retails for like $25, but we all know Bath and Body Works always have some kind of sale going on. So if you want Bath and Body Works candle, always wait until you get a coupon or the candles go on sale. Nest candles could be found at Sephora, Nordstrom Rags, more like high-end places. And I think this small candle retails at a regular price of, I think, $40. I got this one as a gift from a kid on my bus. And that's how I was introduced to the Nest candles. I always seen the Nest candles, but I never ever thought to buy them because it was like, you know, why? You know, but when she gave me this candle is amazing. I absolutely love Nest candles. Amazing candle. It burns really nice and even. The container is really nice. The throw is really good. Like I said, this little candle, I think this is like a 4 ounce versus this huge candle. And Bath and Body Works candles are, how many ounces? 14 and a half ounces. 14.5 ounces is what a Bath and Body Works, and this is a 4 ounce. The throw is about the same, but super nice candle. And I actually have another one. Okay, these are the Nest candles that I own. After I got that one for Christmas, I decided to buy more. This one I bought from Nordstrom Rack. I think this is called the Tarragon Ivy, I believe. Yeah, Tarragon Ivy. This one is just okay. Regular price retails for about $60, I believe. I shouldn't even say prices because I could be quoting these prices wrong. But one thing I do know that they're very expensive. I think this one retails for $40, and I think this one retails for $16. I think the 4 ounce is $16, and the I think this is an 8 ounce. I think the 8 ounce one is like $40. But I got this one from Nordstrom Rack for 16, either 16 or 20. Nice. This one, they had this one as well as this on the Nordstrom annual sale, the anniversary sale. So I decided to get this. It's 3 candles in this one and 2 candles in this one. But if you don't really want to spend that type of money on a Nest candle, Bath and Body Works candles are just fine. Now, I have tried Yankee candles. I don't like Yankee candles. One, they don't burn even. 2, the one that I had, the throw wasn't all that good. Yeah, I just don't like Yankee candles. I prefer a budget-friendly candle, Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go. Like I said, Nest candles are amazing. Amazing. Or always Bath and Body Works. Like I said, don't forget, y'all, get your coupons, your Bath and Body Works coupons together. Get your I hate that y'all can't see my face because it kind of sucks when you're looking at a video and somebody's just talking and pointing to things. But get your Bath and Body Works get your Bath and Body Works coupons ready. If you don't want to spend a lot of money all at once, start buying your gift cards. The candles will retail on December 7th. On December 7th. That's in probably about 2 weeks. The candles will retail for either $8.95, I believe, or $9.95. If you could get a hold to, now I don't know if they're gonna bring this coupon out. Normally they do. If you could get a hold to a 15 off of 40 coupon, that's the best coupon to have. But if you can't find that, a 10 off of 30 is good. A 20, any coupon is good. 20% coupon. You could look at, make sure you sign up for their emails so you could get on some of those coupons. You could also do multiple transactions. You don't have to do all of your stuff in one transaction, but remember, 1 coupon per transaction. 1 coupon per transaction. This could be 1 transaction. This could be my 2nd transaction. This could be my 3rd transaction. 1 coupon per transaction. So yeah, have you a list of what you want to get. If you're not for sure or familiar or know about Bath and Body Works coupons, stop in there ahead of time. Smell some of the candles so you could actually know which candle that you would like to buy. They might not have this one because this was last year's packaging. You know, you want to look around and see. Have a game plan. Know what I'm going to get. I'm going to know what I'm going to get before I get there, because it's going to be a madhouse. Most of the time, Bath and Body Works open up at either 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. And you best believe it's going to be a line. So be prepared. If you go later on, my camera is dead. If you go later on in the day, take somebody with you so they could stand in that line while you do your shopping, because the lines is gonna be crazy. Have a plan, have a plan, have a plan. All right, y'all.